हेलो स्टूडेंट, यू आर वाचिंग एसएनएस वर्ल्ड यूट्यूब चैनल। आप लोग कैसे हैं? तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आई एम सत्यनारायण साहा। आई एम गोइंग टू टीच फर्स्ट लेसन ऑफ ज्योग्राफी। लेट अस स्टार्ट। रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ geographical features. Geographical features. Representation, you know that. Represent geographical features. Geography, geo and graph. Two words. Geo and graph, two Greek words. Geo means earth and graph means to write. We know about the earth. Geography is the science that describe about the earth. How we know about the earth? Through globe or map. But globe is not convenient to take from one place to another. It is true model of the map. Map, you know that, flat representation of the earth and two-dimensional. It is map. Map divided into on the basis of scale, on the basis of content, on the basis of scale, large scale and small scale. Large scale what? Cadastral map. And topographical. Small scale wall map and another one atlas. And on the basis of content, you know that physical, political and thematic. Cadastral map made by government to collect the tax. In Tahsildar they are plotting mentioned in this map. And topographical map, detailed study about features, means physical features or cultural features. Here small scale wall map, atlas, physical, political, thematic. Season those things given in thematic maps. Topographical map. Why we study about topographical map? Topographical map given about detailed features. What are the detailed features? In topography map, what things represent? Before going to study topographical map, you keep in mind these things, this flowchart: physical features and cultural features. Physical features divided into relief, drainage, natural vegetation. Relief, what type of landforms? Plain, plateau, hill, mountain. Drainage, different type of rivers. Natural vegetation, forest, those lands. And cultural features. Cultural features means man-made. Population through settlement, means of transportation, communication, irrigation, general occupation. Population through settlement, rural, Rural and urban. Urban. Rural, consolidated or compact, together, scattered or dispersed, hamlet, linear, ring. And urban, town, city, metropolis. Metropolis cities, Mumbai, Delhi, like that, where more people living. And transportation, road, railway, waterway, airways. Communication, telephone, electric line, pipeline. Irrigation, canal, well or tube well, tank. General occupation, agriculture and industries. And you know that river are two types. Rivers are two types, perennial and seasonal river. Perennial rivers where throughout year flow is going on, and seasonal river, in season the river fill up and other time dry. Topography map, detailed study about the physical features and cultural features, and it is needed by engineers, by soldiers. One person but in his environment, mountain, river, building, these things, and conventional symbol also there. Topographical map published by the Department of Survey of India. And it was under the Ministry of Science and Technology. These things you easily remember. Representation of geographical features. Why this title given? This title given because of features of the earth. Geograph. Geo means earth and graph means to write. What are the features? When a person interact with environment, what things interact with life? Physical features and cultural features, building, river, many things. And topographical map published by the Department of Survey of India, and it is under the Ministry of Science and Technology. And the Department of Survey of India, it was established in 1767. It is topography sheet. In topography sheet, two types, D by 10 and D by 7. It is D by 7. Here river and color shown that yellow color, it is stand for agricultural land. Green color, forest land, and broken land, other things I will discuss. This is D by 10. These are the topographical sheets, and here the line drawn from north to south, and it is moving towards east. That's why these lines are called what? Write in comment box. These lines are easting because these are going towards east and drawn north to south. Don't confuse. And these lines, horizontal lines, which are going towards north, are called northing. In topographical map, another elements is contour lines. Contour lines. These are for slope area used mountain. How the height of mountain described in map. Like that it is represent in map. When steep slope closely contour lines connected and gentle slope distance more, and in book given about how contour lines used in different land. So those things discussed in later video. Like, share and comment this video. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get earlier information. Thank you.